Hi guys, thanks for joining me. In today's video I'm going to take you through this beautiful little palette by Persona Cosmetics. It's an eyeshadow palette with 12 buttery beautiful mattes and shimmers. I'm going to show you swatches and I'm also going to show you the eye look that I've created today. This palette retails for $32 US. You can only purchase it in the US and I cannot get my hands on it here in New Zealand. It is thanks to an absolute amazing and wonderful subscriber of mine by the name of Julie, who sent this palette to me when she discovered that I could not obtain it here in New Zealand, and I would like to thank her so very much. It was such a thoughtful, wonderful thing to do. This retails for $32 US and is available at personacosmetics.com, ulta.com and Amazon, although even though it's available at Amazon, it's only shipped within the US. You have 12 beautiful buttery shades of mattes and shimmers. It comes in a cardboard box. It has a mirror and it is a perfect size for travel. I love the very feminine, beautiful graphics on the packaging. And this palette was created by a YouTuber, Sona Gasparian, who set up her own cosmetics company, Persona Cosmetics. This was the first palette, first addition to her makeup line in her cosmetics company, and she has the most beautiful, gorgeous brown eyes, and she designed this eye palette specifically for brown eyes. Although, in my humble opinion, I think the colours in this palette would suit so many other tones of eyes as well. I believe you could mix and match lots of these colours to get yourself lots of different looks. I've used every colour in this palette. I think they are amazing. They are so pigmented. The shimmers are beautiful, and I just think it's a fantastic palette. So thank you so much, Julie. So if you would like to see swatches of this beautiful palette as well as the eye look I have created, please keep watching.
Okay, the swatches from left to right are Humble, Sassy, Gold Digger, Seductive, Charming, Maverick, Bombshell, Goddess, Audacious, Chic, Bossy and Fearless.
Okay, so the Persona Cosmetics Identity Palette, let's get into it. I have already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Anti-Aging, and I'm going to start with this bone colour all over my lid called Humble. And I'm just going to pop that all over the lid to set it. I'm then going to go in with the colour Charming and my Sephora Pro number 10 crease brush, and I am just going to pop that in my transition area in this large fleshy part of my eyelid here, and I'm just going to blend that softly into that transition upper fake crease area of my very hooded eyes. I'm going to go in with a Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm going to go in with this mauvey purpley shade called Chic, and I'm going to aim that just above my natural crease, so you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, my crease is right here in my lid. Well, I'm going up higher than that to where I would like to have my natural crease. And just blending that in the outer corner. a sort of a V, but bringing it up and then into that where I would like a crease, just blending that in there, and we'll blend that out with another colour. So I've roughly made a line up in that corner across the crease. I'm going to go back with Charming with my Morphe R37 brush, and then I'm just going to blend to soften that purple line. And just blending and softening the line that we created. Then going back in with my E35 blending brush and a little bit more of Colour Chic, and just build that just a little bit again. Just tapping that in. Blending again with our Charming. Rather than going in all heavy-handed all at once, just building and adding the depth as you want it, rather than, it's easier to add definition and add colour little by little rather than going in too heavy-handed and then looking like you've been punched in the eye. Nobody really wants that. Then I'm going to take a little bit of this Bossy with the same R37 brush, and I'm just going to build that up in the outer half of my eye. Now these are very pigmented colours, very smooth. Going back in with our first brush and just blending those edges again. Then I'm going to take a flat shader brush and go in with this colour Seductive, and just pop that on the inner half of my eyelid. Going back in with our Morphe R37 brush and then just blending that edges to the other colours. Then I'm going to take just a small pencil brush, and with the dark colour Fearless here, I am just going to go in the very, very outer V of my eye, just to give a little bit of depth. And blend that in with our E25 brush. Now to add a little bit of warmth, I'm going to take this colour Audacious and my Wayne Goss number 20 brush, and I'm just going to softly run that under my eye. And then taking Charming, I will run that underneath again. Taking a very little pencil brush and taking the colour Sassy, and I will just pop that in the inner corner of my eye. As always, I will line my upper waterline with Ars Via Veneto. And I don't know if you've noticed, but just how flat and I would say beady, my eyes look without eyelash extensions. So I don't have any in at the moment, but I am going to put some eyelashes on. So that's the eyeshadows. I will put some eyelashes on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so that's the finished look with lashes. I added some liquid liner just along the lash band to blend everything in. This is a very pretty, beautiful little palette, and I agree that it is an exceptional palette for brown eyes. It doesn't matter what colours I use, it doesn't matter what combination of colours I use, I always get a pretty eye look from this palette. I particularly really love this colour called Bombshell, but as I wear it a lot and wear it quite regularly, I wanted to use a different shimmer on my eyes today. I hope you enjoyed that look guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. I hope you've all had a beautiful and a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you next time. See you later guys. Bye.